card trick has to do with Taekwondo. Brandon, a third-degree black belt in Taekwondo, was performing Koryo Pumse, and Maxi Moon filmed that for me. Thanks, guys. Pumse in karate is called kata. In English, we call it form. Each pumse or form is a series of kicks, punches, and blocks designed to exercise bodies to eventually perform martial arts like Taekwondo. I am a student of card tricks. I'm thankful for many YouTube teachers for teaching me various card tricks. But I have not found anyone who teaches card trick forms. I did find few who teaches ambitious card tricks. Yes, it could be used as a form or pumse, but it was a little too advanced for beginners like me. For instance, Koryo performed by Brandon is a first-degree black belt pumse. You will not expect a white belt to perform such a pumse. Anyways, I came up with my own basic card trick form, a series of basic card tricks designed to help me exercise different parts of my hands. Before I demonstrate, I'll be doing fat double lifts moves throughout the routine, as discussed in previous video that I learned from Stephen Hammer. His link is below too. You may learn how the tricks are done by my mistake, me flashing it and stuff, or my lack of skills, but not on purpose. My objective is not to teach you guys tricks or moves. I am a student, as I said before, so I'm a fellow student, hopefully, and this is just a way of me recording my progress. If you want to learn each individual tricks, please go see my teachers. I'll provide all their links, again, all their links below. Reason for coming out with form is a little embarrassing, but I will share. While practicing first shuffle, topped by 52 cards and card flourishes like this, while doing that I injured my thumb. My doctor called it triggered finger. You know those fingers you get when you shoot too many guns? That's cool. But getting trigger finger, practicing card trick, uncool. Anyways, my thumbs will not move or move on its own. So I had to get this thumb guard. I'm just wearing this for now, but it's all healed up. But I had to wear this over 2 months, so I can practice during that time. Ever since then, I decided instead of trying to master one trick at a time or straining one joint at a time, I decided to do a series of card tricks so I could exercise various parts of my finger and reduce the practice in general. Downside is, of course, I don't get to master any one particular trick, or if I want to master any one particular trick or end up being a whole bunch of them, it will take me long time. I will keep record of my progress or digress on this playlist called Magic Card Tricks. So why am I learning card trick at this age? Te in Taekwondo is foot. Guan is a fist. Do is art. Taekwondo means art of kicking and punching. To me, process of learning card trick itself is a pumse to the art of learning. Learning do. PS? Okay. I just want to do this with the families and friends.
Now man the Jama on doing his magic trick.
There you go.